This on the screen here is some earnings from YouTube. This on the screen over here is some earnings from Amazon. And this over here on the screen is some earnings from TikTok. Now, what I'm going to share with you in today's video is without doubt one of the simplest and easiest ways anybody can start earning money online. And here's the thing. You don't have to be on camera. You don't have to speak if you don't want to. You can do this whole method using just your phone. And the potential with this is incredible. And I'm going to prove it and share with you today exactly how all of this works and how you can do this yourself. So let's dive in. Hello and welcome to today's video, and look, with this method I'm going to share with you today, there is literally no excuses for anyone to say they can't make money online. This is so simple. My 10-year-old son is doing this exact method and he's earned £15 so far today, and yesterday he earned £19, so that is a little under $50 in 2 days from a 10-year-old. It's unreal. It genuinely is. Okay, so let's come over here. No, not that one. This one over here. So you can see these commissions from Amazon. So the method I'm going to share with you today is essentially, it's not digital marketing. It's kind of digital marketing and affiliate marketing. And the difference between those two is if you're doing digital marketing, you're focusing purely on digital items online, whereas with affiliate marketing you can recommend and share products that are physical and also digital. Okay, now you can see on here this is how much we've earned from Amazon. Okay, and if I scroll down here you will notice we've got lots of different things on here. So this is the product that someone's bought, this is the item shipped, we've got revenue, and we've also got commission. Okay, and you can see what we've got with, what is that, VTech bot music player, we've got a bath baby shower head, we have got a learning tablet down here. We've got some other things. We've got some, I don't even know what that is. And we've got, we can see here, waterproof bags and other bits. Okay, so we've earned this money from Amazon. Okay, and then at the same time we've earned some money over here from YouTube. Now, what is this method and how are we doing this? So if I scroll down here, you will see these videos. This one here, it's 1 minute and 31 seconds, 1 minute and 43. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. You can see here, these are all incredibly short videos. And all I have done for this method is I have literally gone around my house. I have taken out my phone, and I have recorded a walkthrough of either the product or I've just shared with it, shared that product with the people who are going to hopefully watch the videos. And that is genuinely the whole process of how this whole concept works, because if you don't know, Amazon have an affiliate program, and that means you can sign up, you can get your own affiliate link, which basically means if somebody clicks that link, you can earn money when somebody purchases, and that's what's happened over here. Okay, so these are the products, this is how much it's cost, and this is the commission. And literally in the last week, we started a brand new case study over in the Not Taught at School University, and we wasn't looking at Amazon, we was actually looking at TikTok. And we had our best day. You can see over here, we earned £52 in commission from posting videos on TikTok. We wasn't on camera, we wasn't speaking. TikTok made those videos for us, and we was linking to physical products. When somebody bought one of those products, guess what? We earned money, and it genuinely is that simple to get started with this whole method. Okay, and as I've mentioned, my son is doing this same method. Okay, it really isn't difficult, and it doesn't matter whether we are looking at Amazon or whether it's TikTok. Essentially, all we're doing is we're creating content around a product and we are putting that onto the different social media platforms. So you can take your phone out and you can record a video of any product in your house. As long as it's on TikTok Shop or on Amazon, you can potentially earn some money from this method. Now for this, if I come back over to here, for this example with Amazon, what we was doing is we were creating these videos over here, and it's literally just showing the product and going through this. And then what was happening is once we'd done that actual product inside of these YouTube videos, we were linking over to Amazon, and then if somebody buys the product, then we would earn an affiliate commission. And it works in a similar fashion with TikTok, because TikTok over the last over the last couple of years, they have really been building up it's called the TikTok shop. It's essentially an online marketplace where people can buy stuff. Now, they haven't recently, but I've only recently found out about it. Let me show you this, TikTok shop affiliate. So you can actually sign up and become an affiliate with TikTok. Now, the difference between this one and Amazon is over on Amazon, you can literally create a YouTube account or a TikTok or Facebook or whatever, and then you can apply to the Amazon associates. And realistically, you can get your link and be, posting content within a couple of days. Over on TikTok, you need to get 1,000 followers on your account before you can join the affiliate program. Now, look, there is a quick way around that. TikTok don't particularly like you doing this, but you can go and buy 1,000 followers on any of these platforms. You can just search it up on Google. And then once you have your 1,000 followers, you have to have posted a video within 28 days. That's the criteria to get into the TikTok shop affiliate program, okay? And then how it works over here is, if we scroll down, it is literally a case of promote brands that are relevant to your followers. And inside of TikTok, you can see here, you can easily find products to sell. You can recommend products and videos in your live streams. And basically, you get paid a commission when somebody goes ahead and buys that product. Okay, I'll share with you an actual example of this. So if we go over to tiktok.com, let's go to this one here, the home reviewer, because it's the same name on TikTok as it is over on YouTube. You can see over here, we've got these different videos on here. So these ones here, we've literally not even got the product. You can see on the screen here, TikTok actually made this video for me inside of the app. The same as this one, the same as this one, and some more. And all we're doing is, inside of these videos, we're linking to the products, because the products are available inside of the TikTok shop. And then what happens is, when somebody watches one of these videos, you go ahead and get paid. And honestly, we've been doing this now for today's day 9. We've had some incredible growth with this. You can see like this video over here. It had 2,800 views, 2,400 views. If I scroll down here, 8,000 views. This one over here, 1,000 views. If I click on here and I just pause that, you will see over here, where's it gone? Where's it gone? Is it here? Here. Grab a bargain. You can't see it. You can't see it on the desktop version. So let me see if I can show you over on. Let me see if I can show you over in the university. So let's go over here really quickly, and we will open. In fact, what I'll do is I'll go over here to show you this. So we'll go over to this one over here, how to get TikTok to make your videos. If I open this up, you see here, this is inside of the TikTok app. When it says here, check. Let's see if I can show you again. Let me move my head. Let's do this. Move this along. I'm just going to mute that really quickly, and let's click on play. So you see down here where it says comments will appear. So here, if somebody clicks on here and buys this product, you actually get paid. It's just ridiculous. This whole method and concept of earning money online is just awesome. The only drawback to this method, I would say, is whilst affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, and don't get me wrong, it can take a bit of time and effort to start seeing, $50 a day, $100 a day, $200, etc., etc. But with this one over here, this TikTok, for example, we earn, but it was by day 8, so we're just posting consistently every day. Yesterday was our best day, and we earned, it was 50, what was it? 52 pounds, so a little over $60 by day 8 with this method. And like I'm telling you about this, and I shared a video a few days ago with you about this, because it really is the simplest and easiest way that anyone can start making money online. Now, with regards to this, you can do this in 2 different ways. You could go very broad and you could share, content around everything and anything. That's pretty much what I am doing. Or you could go very niche with this. So what I mean by that is, and again, I'll show you an example, is if we come over here and let's just go and type in retro gaming. Oh no, I remember the account. The account is called Super Lit Gaming. So this person over here, for example, funnily enough, is sharing content, as you can see on here, all around gaming. And then it's the same concept. If anybody buys using the link inside of his videos, he earns a commission for literally just sharing a product which he has in his house, or he's gone ahead and bought. So we've got a few different ways you can actually go ahead and do this. You can focus purely on TikTok, or you could go down the route of going onto the Amazon Associates, signing up and getting your links. But either way, whether you're going to focus on Amazon or TikTok, I would also do this. I would take that one video that you post on those platforms and I would then share that video on multiple platforms, which will help you get more exposure and more views on your videos, which in turn will help you earn more money. And I'm doing this myself. I am posting on TikTok. I am then taking that video from TikTok and I am putting it onto YouTube. So what I would say to you is, with regards to this method, is just start. Is literally just take your phone out, go around your house and start reviewing some products or doing openings, or even, showcasing the best bits or the worst bits. And then once you've started to build up some videos in your portfolio, essentially, you can then start applying to the TikTok Shop affiliate program. You could also go over to Amazon, and there's many more ways that you can make money with this. But this is, without a doubt, at this moment in time, one of the easiest and simplest ways that absolutely anyone can get started with making money online. And look, if you want resources and some more freebies to learn about affiliate marketing, you can go over to my website. We have got lots of articles on here. We've got case studies and lots more. But in terms of affiliate marketing, this is without doubt the simplest way for anyone to start making money online. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this method. Do you like it? Are you going to give it a go? So yeah, take care and I'll see you soon.